Hello. Hi. Hello. Welcome to day 3 of Cooking with Natalie. Today, we are going to be making a wonderful classic recipe. May have had it before, and it's called Campbell's Chicken Alphabet Soup. That's right, guys. We're going back to the classics. It's called children's, but it's for everyone, you know? Let's get right into it. We're just gonna get right into it today. We aren't even gonna do anything else. We're just gonna get into the you will need. An apron, a bowl, a hot pad, a spoon, pretty self-explanatory, some form of water, a microwave, saran wrap, Campbell's Chicken Alphabet Soup. Step 1 is going to be the same step 1 that we've always had all 3 days. Say it with me, children. Put on your apron. Whoa. Aprons are a fun way to keep clean in the kitchen. They are really great. Yeah. Step 2 is we're going to take our bowl and we're going to take our can and we're going to open our can by using the sleek pull tab on the can. Then we push down and pull like this. Whoops. I got soup everywhere. Take your soup and dump it in the bowl. There's peas in this? There's still some letters. Do not throw out your can. Very important step. Don't throw it out. You're going to want to fill your can with water. Fill it to the top with water. You want to take a can full of water and dump it into the bowl. Perfect. Now you have your soup. Again, do not throw out your can. There's a riddle on the side that we're going to use in a minute. Take your lovely saran wrap. Gently measure out how much you'll need. That looks perfect. Rip it. Cover the bowl with your lovely saran wrap. You want to make sure it's even. Don't want any air pockets. There we go. And just secure the sides so soup does not spill out. This is where you may be like, Natalie, I have to use the microwave next. And you're right. So once again, I would call up a parent and ask if it's okay. Mom, can I use the microwave? The answer is yes. Take your bowl of soup. Here it says 2.5 to 3 minutes. The choice is yours. My microwave makes things hot. So I will put it in for 2.5 minutes. In you go, lad. Start. Now here's a fun part. Here is where we get to see the riddle. The riddle on the side of the can asks, what begins with T, ends with T, and has T in it? What's your prediction? I'm gonna say a kettle. The answer is a teapot. I was very close. Now, I want to tell you why I chose chicken alphabet soup, because I also have Campbell's Chicken and Stars. But the thing that Chicken and Stars is lacking, that Chicken Alphabet has, is education. See, I really value education and learning. You see, I'm on spring break right now. I could very easily just give up what I'm learning, but no, I'm keeping my brain going. Remember on day one when we got this out early? We're gonna do the same thing. That's beautiful. What we were told to do by the can is leave it in for 1 minute. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. It's ready. Take your hot pad. Prepare it. Get your soup out of the microwave. Be careful. It's hot. Uncover your soup. She is beautiful. I'm going to stir. Spread the alphabet throughout the soup. The next step is to enjoy. This is so hot. Oh my god. I'm just gonna take a little letter here. Where's the letter? Then an I. That was hot. It was very hot. Well, I hope you enjoyed this lovely recipe because I certainly did. So I will catch you tomorrow when we make something else. Goodbye. Bye-bye. Goodbye. Bye.